Hello and assalamu alaikum to the ones who are listening to me. Welcome back to the day 4th of the Ramadan series of the Candid Hour. This is your host Swanya Shirazi. Before I start with the podcast, I really want to thank Arij for doing such an amazing episode that was full of spirituality. Thank you so much, Arij. You did a great job. How are you, my family? What's up? What's going on? How is Ramadan going so far? अब तो हम थोड़े थोड़े habitual होना start हो गए हैं Ramadan के, like we are okay with that now. शुरू में तो बहुत feel like for the first to fast, but this month is such a blessing. Like इतना सुकून है ना इस month में, I can't express in my words, literally. So इस सुकून को ही लेके हम आगे बढ़ेंगे, and today we are going to talk about healing. We are going to heal each other. Since 2020, it's a hard time going on all of us. I know everybody is going down in a healing phase due to the COVID situation and the lockdown. Some people have lost their lives. Some have lost their loved ones. Some have lost their jobs. Almost everybody is broke in a way. What we can do in this tough time is to be there for each other. So let's support each other. Let's spread smiles. Let's do good deeds as much as we can before the time runs too fast. Do you also feel like the time is running so fast? Life बहुत तेज़ी से गुजरती जा रही है. I am getting that vibe. I don't know. आप लोगों में से भी कोई ये फील कर रहा है? Everything is just running, so let's be present for each other. Look around your surroundings. Look for your family, look for the people around you, look for your friends, and just ask them, how can I help? You can help them in any way. You can give a smile to them by making a call to them, make a FaceTime, or just make an audio call. Just call them and tell them that you are present for them. Whenever you are passing by somebody, just give them a smile. अब mask के अंदर smile देना, that would be hard. भाई ये तो मैंने गलत बात कर दी. You can just wave your hand from far away. Give a gesture of gratitude. If somebody is feeling down, just help her out or help him out. Just be present for them. If your friend is in need, do whatever you can do for him. If somebody is stressed out or going through depression, give them hope, console them, give them your moral support. This pandemic had hit many people. It had broke many people. So if you could support them financially, do that. Look around your neighbors. Like if रमज़ान है, लोगों को राशन की ज़रूरत है, लोग रोज़े रख रहे हैं, so if you can support them, उनको राशन प्रोवाइड करके या कुछ भी, so do that. Even you can provide water to somebody. You can provide, हम लोग रूह फ़ज़ा की सबील लगा सकते हैं, or anything. मतलब किसी को रमज़ान में पानी पिला देना ही, रोज़े के साथ उसका रोज़ा खुलवा के पानी पिला देना ही बहुत बड़ा अजर रखता है. So if you can feed them, उनकी इफ्तारी करा सकती है, do that. ईद आ रही है, send gifts to each other. It could be a minor thing or a major thing. Like it doesn't matter. मैं आपको कोई लाखों लगाने के लिए नहीं कह रही. Do your part. It doesn't matter how much you do. Give something to your employers. Give them a paid leave, or just give them something, or just spend a good time with them. Talk to them. Trust me, that's gonna make their way, but that's not gonna cost you much. So think about that. पाकिस्तान में गर्मियाँ बहुत ज़्यादा चल रही हैं, so परिंदों के लिए पानी रखें, जानवरों के लिए पानी रखें. So इस तरह भी you can seek the good deeds. बहुत छोटा सा काम है. घर के बाहर अपने छत पर कहीं पर भी एक पॉट में पानी रखते हैं. उनकी खुराक रखते हैं, कुछ भी रखते हैं, सो आपको काउंटलेस नेकियां मिलेंगी। एंड सीरियसली दैट्स गोना चेंज योर लाइफ। डू इट। और लाइफ चेंज ना भी हो, do it for yourself. At least that's gonna give you peace. Make a positive impact. If you are even harsh to yourself, if you don't like yourself, be kind to your own self. That's also gonna be considered as a good deed. Own yourself. If you will not own yourself, who is going to do that for you? If you will get the positive energy, then you can spread out the positive energy. So get the positive energy in yourself first. ये नेकियों का सर्कल है, आप किसी एक पे करेंगे तो वो अगला किसी और पे करेगा, और ये ऐसे चलता रहेगा। सो कितना खूबसूरत है ये। सो जस्ट यू हैव टू टेक द फर्स्ट स्टेप। कोई मुश्किल नहीं है इसमें, सीरियसली। यू कैन राइट अ थैंक यू नोट to somebody, to your employee, to your friend, or anybody like who doesn't expect that, and that will make their day, and that will make them happy. You can collect your things, you can just like collect from your family and friends, you can collect toys, you can collect pre-loved clothes, books, or anything, and gift it to some charity or some organization or the people around you. हर जगह लोग होते हैं, बस देखने की नज़र चाहिए. You can do a fundraiser or something like that to inspire you. I'm gonna tell that again, that's not a show off or anything. I'm just telling it if somebody gets inspired. I started a Ramadan drive to provide ration to people, and at the beginning I literally have no idea that I'll be just I'll be able to complete it or succeed in that. When I started it, I had nothing, but I requested to Allah that Allah please help me out, and Alhamdulillah I was successful, and yesterday I was able to provide ration to a lot of families who belong to underprivileged families and who were really white collar families. So ऐसे लोग आप लोग भी ढूंढे, and you can help them. As you people know that I run a page like Humanity Beyond Borders. That's a non-profit, and I try to do as much help and as much social work as I can. So that was a project of that. और ऐसे ही randomly होता है, मेरा कोई प्लान नहीं होता, एकदम से मुझे अल्लाह की तरफ से आता है और मैं स्टार्ट कर देती हूँ काम करना, और अल्लाह का शुक्र होता है कि वो कंप्लीट भी हो जाता है. So ऐसे ही आप लोग भी कर सकते हैं. If you want to support my cause, you can even support that. I'll be sharing my account details below because I'm going to start an iftar drive soon. So that would be basically giving iftar to almost 100 people a day, inshallah. But it's just a beginning of it. Again, I'm not promising anything, but inshallah I'll do my best like I have for 2 or 3 days confirmed, but I don't know, I want to continue it for the whole month that is remaining, but let's see what Allah's plans are. So you can even support that. I'll be attaching the account details below if you want to support that, or you can do it around the people around you. You can do it by yourself. So one thing that you have to learn today is that just to offer everybody who needs you that how can I help. That's what I learned from the season New Amsterdam. Such an amazing season it is. It's a must watch. Please don't be like कि रमज़ान है तो मैं सीज़न सजेस्ट कर रही हूँ, बट इट्स अ लाइफ चेंजिंग. और I always learn stuff from everything, even from a movie, even from an ad, anything. So I'll be sharing that soon, like what I learned from different movies and ads and all the stuff. But right now what I want you people to learn is to offer how can I help to everybody. Remember, if I can do it, you can do it too. So just start practicing. Good luck to you if it motivates you in any way, and if you start working for it. So let me know in the comment sections below. That will hide my vibe, Thank you so much for listening. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Have a blessed Ramadan. Take care, people. Stay strong, and don't forget that we